Todoist and TickTick are really good apps, but if you still find yourself procrastinating or not achieving your goals, they are solving the wrong problems. You can ignore reminders, you can reschedule endlessly. Nothing happens when you don't follow through on a task. Zendu checks back, it doesn't stay silent, it predicts when you're likely going to reach your goals based on you completing certain tasks. So it gives you real world consequences for not following through. In Todoist and TickTick, when you add a task, it has no context on what it is. If it's tied to a specific goal, you have to do the manual entry of that. It also doesn't know the priority of this task. In Zendu, as soon as you add a task, it knows if it's linked to a specific goal and it's on the lookout for tasks that you're adding randomly that have no connected goal. Since the AI knows what you want to achieve, it can help you prioritize your tasks. If you want an alternative that actually helps you complete your task and achieve your goals, then I recommend you to give Zendu a try. You can try for free today.